Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how conditional rendering works. What do you use conditional rendering for? Conditional rendering is used for showing or hiding elements on a page based on the truthiness of a variable. That is, if a variable is true, or if it has value, or if a number is greater than another, and so on. Let's say you have a box with an error message, with the code like this. So we have an error message printed inside a div. The problem with this is that this box will always be rendered, even if the error variable is empty. So there will be a gray box, but with no content. But we can use conditional rendering to set this to be rendered only when there actually is an error to show. So we use the vuejs directive. When we add this, the error message will only be showing when the error value is true or if it has some content in it. If you want to show a message if there isn't any error, like a success message or something like that, you can do that too. You then use the vuejs directive. So if the error is false, it will go on to the next element which has the vuejs directive. The vif, the vuelsif, and vuels removes and adds HTML elements to the DOM. The problem with this is that this isn't very optimal because the browser needs time to re-render the DOM. But Vue has a solution to this. The solution to this is a directive called vshow. The vshow directive looks like this. The vshow directive does not interact with the DOM. Instead, it just adds some CSS to the element and show it or hide it based on the value. The CSS looks like this. It just adds a display none and the element will be hidden. So the next time you want to show or hide an element, think about how often you need to show or hide the element so that you can decide if you should use vif or vshow. And that was it for this video.